This is Neil Schneider for MTBS-TV at SIGGRAPH 2019. I'm at AMD's booth, and to my immediate right is Gary Davis. He's the Senior Go-to-Market Manager for AMD. Welcome to the program, Gary.
Thank you very much for having us. We appreciate the opportunity.
So what have we got on display here?
This is new technology that we're showcasing at the booth. It's for wireless VR. Most people, when they think about wireless VR, that they, and this is an accurate description of it, we're eliminating the tether from the workstation to the headset. In this case, it's an HTC Vive Focus Plus, but we also, there we go. But we also are compatible with a lot of other vendors, including the Oculus Quest, which is a big demand. So what we're focusing on pretty much here on this side, and you'll see more in a minute, is our professional line, Radeon Pro Solutions. So this is a cross-industry solution. Architects can use it, engineering, manufacturing, media and entertainment people doing digital content creation. And again, we've got quite a different set of offerings depending on your budget, horsepower requirements and that kind of thing. So the glue that makes this possible is in our software driver. So it's absolutely free. It's part of the the regular driver that you download to control the resolution in your desktop and so on. And we've just enabled a feature that streams VR wirelessly through a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi router to the headset. And that's pretty much it.
So just help me understand. So this is the professional side, obviously.
Yeah.
Now, AMD has, of course, a consumer-grade graphics cards, and they've got a professional line of graphics cards. Right. What's the advantage of the professional line?
So the number one answer to that, then there's depending on how much time you would have, the number one answer is certifications. So if you, for example, if you're an architect and you're using applications like Revit or AutoCAD, those certifications are going to be something that's almost a requirement. You can't use a lot of times in a firm like that, you can't use a consumer-grade graphics card. Now, having said that, this technology of our wireless VR will work on consumer cards. So the question kind of comes back to the customer: are the certifications and the support and the extended, longer life warranty and things like that, if that's important to you? And if the answer is yes, then we've got a solution that fits everybody's budget.
So the certification isn't just like a stamp of approval, it actually speaks to the reliability of the product.
Yeah, absolutely. It's going to work. And again, this is a big requirement in like the manufacturing space and the AEC, architecture, engineering, construction. So that's almost a requirement. And you think of things like aerospace and the military, and you don't want to chance it. You don't want to leave something up to chance. So.
Okay, good stuff. Now you highlighted this. We've got a router behind us. Yep. I take it it's a 5 gigahertz router. Can you elaborate a little more as to how you're making this all work?
Yeah, so there's basically 3 steps. I'll repeat myself that the first one, the glue to it all, is our graphics driver. There's a feature inside of it called Relive for VR, and again, it's just part of the driver. And what that does is it encodes all of the workload that's being done on the graphics card in the workstation, and then it just sends a video stream through the 5 gigahertz router to the headset. So that's the 3 steps. I kind of did those 2 and 3 pretty quick. So again, our driver streaming through a wireless router to a compatible headset, and that's the whole workflow.
Okay, good stuff. Now, who OEMs this stuff? I mean, I take it you've got solutions in mind for these graphics to go into?
Partners like HP and Dell really come to mind. They carry a wide range of our Radeon Pro solutions. All of this is shipping today. None of this is technology preview or anything, so you're good to go.
And I take it, I mean, the graphics cards, I take it they're priced, how should I put it, aggressively. Who is AMD looking to reach out to with these graphics cards?
Well, I always say there's something for everybody. We have a full range of products in the Radeon Pro line. I can send you the graphic, or the ones that are shown on the screen behind me are the ones that are VR certified. So the WX7100, WX8200, and the WX9100 are those professional certified solutions that are going to be the ones that you would want to look to for this wireless solution.
Yeah, are there specific applications you have in mind for this?
Anything that really runs through Steam at this point. We're very agnostic to things like if you're using the Unity game engine or Unreal Engine, things like Twinmotion. Again, crossing boundaries of, we've used this with SolidWorks, we've used this with AutoCAD files, across the board.
All right, good stuff. Well, thanks so much for joining us.
I appreciate your time. Thanks for the opportunity.
This is Neil Schneider for MTBS-TV at SIGGRAPH 2019. We will, of course, be back with more. Thank you for watching.